Hi everyone, welcome to iMyFoneanyto channel. Wondering how to download BlueStacks to play Pokemon Go? Today I will bring you a detailed guide on how to use PC to play Pokemon Go. Let's have a look together. BlueStacks Player is an Android emulator that allows Android applications to run on a PC. BlueStacks Pokemon Go refers to the use of the Android Pokemon Go cheater in the BlueStacks software, so as to achieve the purpose of playing Pokemon Go with a computer at home. So, how to play Pokemon Go with BlueStacks? The first step is to search for BlueStacks in Google and enter the website. Click to view all versions, then click download and complete the installation. The second step is to open BlueStacks, then search for PG Shark, enter the official website of PG Shark, and complete the download. Drag the APK file to the BlueStacks software, and the software will automatically install PG Shark to your PC. After waiting for the installation to be successful, you may encounter a situation where you cannot open PG Shark. Don't worry, just try a few more times. After successfully entering the software, you can log into your Pokemon Go account. You may be unable to log in. I can't help you solve this problem, because this is a common bug in this software, and there is no good solution for the time being. Avoid this bug. However, I can recommend you the better ways I've tried to cheat Pokemon Go. That is to use iMyFoneanyto location spoofer. It is suitable for iOS and Android systems, not only supports you to modify your Pokemon Go location on PC, but also supports you to modify location on mobile devices. You only need to search iMyFoneanyto in Google to download the version you want, and then you can modify your positioning without any restraint. You can choose teleport mode to change your location with one click. Different from BlueStacks Pokemon Go, this software can not only help you cheat in Pokemon Go more conveniently, but also prevent you from avoiding the risk of Pokemon Go soft ban while cheating. Okay, that's all for my sharing today. If you have any questions about the content of the video, please let me know in the comment area. Finally, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye!